si Mami Ray, makisaya at makipagkwentuhan. Kaya tara na, makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray. Makinood at makisaya, makipagkwentuhan na tayo kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray, kay Mami Ray.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and it's a Monday again at sana naging okay ang buong weekend nyo, and I know it's a rainy weekend and also this Monday, I hope everybody is safe at yung mga nagbabiyahe, mag-ingat po kayo. And this is gonna be a fun and exciting chikahan again po tong gabing to. But before anything else, we're gonna start and magpapasalamat po muna kami sa aming mga sponsor like Hesine Aesthetic, who's taking care of our skin. They have 2 branches po sa Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong with the phone number of 0929-275-1014 and also in NS Amoranto, Quezon City in 0906-208-8183 and open po sila daily at 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Plus, don't forget to watch our live every Monday. Syempre po, ako, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Wednesday naman po, podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Deon. And also, every Thursday, Coffee Chat with the Ven. Lahat po yan mapapanood nyo here in our Ignis Novus Artist Management Facebook page, and also you can follow, subscribe, and like us also in our Instagram, same Ignis Novus Artist Management, and also in TikTok at Ignis Novus .official. And also please follow our mother company na First Son Production, Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production, also in our YouTube, First Son Creative, no, which is after this interview, within 24 hours, mapapanood nyo po ang Chikahan with Mommy Ray sa aming YouTube channel. And also, follow my social media also, Rachel Pulion, my Facebook, my FB page is Mommy Ray 3, my IG is Mommy_Ray at 423, my TikTok and X at Mommy Ray 3. Ayan, maraming salamat po at eto na, magchichikahan na po tayo ng maganda. My guest for tonight is theater actor, content creator, and a sport enthusiastic. Ayun na naman, nabulod na naman po ang inyong mommy. But there's gonna be a fun chikahan. Kikilalanin po natin mabuti siya. Please welcome my special guest, Ellsworth Nang. Hi, Ellsworth. Hello. Good evening. Gandang gabi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm happy kasi masaya naman yung weekend. I'm here, kasama ko kayo. We're doing the interview and yeah, it's a normal day.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. You're okay and maayos. So, magkwekwentuhan tayo. Kakamustahin ko ang childhood. Kamusta ang childhood?
Happy naman. I think I was very spoiled by my parents when I was younger.
Teka muna, tiga saan ba? Ikaw, do you have any province?
Sa dad ko po, they're from Manila talaga. And my mother's side is from Cagayan Norte, sa Tugigaraw.
So, nakakapunta ka doon?
Not anymore, ever since my grandfather died.
Okay. Pero dito ka na lumaki sa Manila?
Yes, born and raised in Quezon City.
So malilenyong. Pero nakakapaglaro ka. Kasi since from in Manila ka, na-try mo maglaro ng mga larong Pilipino na sa kalye. Not the gadget. So how was it?
Yung favorite ko po talaga was Tumbang Preso
Oh,
or Bangsak, Bangsak.
anong bansak?
Hide and seek.
Okay, hide
Oo.
and seek. So, napapagalitan ba pag umuuwi ng gabi?
Yeah. Yeah, pero hindi naman super gabi and
Hmm.
at home eventually I played a lot of video games.
Hmm.
Mm.
So, yan yung buhay so how school from high school, elementary to high school, how was it?
Um, I think I was a very awkward kid
Oh.
na hindi masyadong confident because sometimes I got bullied.
Ay, why?
Wala, because I looked different.
Oh.
Yeah, they would call me names or sometimes they would isolate me. But I was the funny guy in the classroom and people always told me that I was smart even though I didn't get high grades.
So, paano mo nagawa yun na you're being bullied, pero naging funny guy ka? So, parang na-overcome mo yung pagbubullied nila sa'yo?
mm, yeah, eventually I realized na I was probably being bullied because I looked like an easy target. Kasi
Oh.
insecure ako. So parang, ay, insecure siya, di naman siya lalaban. Versus kung magpapasikat ka
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
kung, you're gonna try to do something amazing,
Yeah.
edi, you don't get bullied as often once I mean, in my case,
Yeah, yeah.
that's what happened.
Okay. So, how about college? Ganun pa din o nagbago na?
The bullying stopped, I think, before graduating high school.
Oh, nag-stop.
Mga last 2 years or last 3 years of high school. Kasi everyone was getting older na din eh. So
Mm.
parang bullying really had no value anymore.
Okay. So, aside from sabi mo nga different yung face and everything, kaya ka ba nagpunta sa sports is because of being bullied or medyo malaki ka ba?
Not really. I I wasn't really into sports when I was young, especially team sports.
Oo.
But when I was in fourth grade, uh, nagkaroon ako ng barkada.
Mm.
And we're a really big group.
Mm.
And nagkataon na all of them were football players.
Mm.
So, I got into football not because I loved football, but because gusto ko lang makasama yung friends ko. So, nangyari, I joined the team, but I wasn't a very good player.
So that was in grade 4 ka?
Grade 4 ako
Oo.
neto.
Tapos, nagdire-diretso ba o you stop?
Nagdire-diretso siya until I was in first year high school.
Okay.
Yeah, at that point, I decided to quit because I wasn't a good player and I didn't really enjoy it anymore.
So, kailan bumalik yung pagiging sport mo?
The year after, yes.
Hmm.
Ang nangyari was, I think my mom punished me for getting low grades after first year. So
Okay.
what she did was she put me into a modeling workshop, and after
Okay.
the modeling workshop was done, binigyan niya ako ng gym membership.
So
Mm-mm.
doon nag-start yung nagkaroon ka ng sa modeling and then sa pag-gym mo. Okay.
Yes.
Doon sa gym. So, dahil nasa gym ka, so parang naging athletic ka. Parang naging sabi mo, I have to be physically fit. Parang ganon. Doon nag-start.
Yeah, ang goal ko lang talaga, Mommy Ray, when I was younger, when I was 15 years old, I wanted to have a nice body so that I could impress the girls.
Oh, okay. The typical teenager before na parang, okay, magandang body ko. Tapos I have this face pa, diba? O sige. So what happened? So after that, nagbago yung point of view mo nung 15 ka. O diniretso mo na, o sige, pa-impress ulit ako.
I think that was my mindset until I got into college, and then until after college, siguro yun yung mindset ko.
Oh,
I wanted this body to impress other people
okay.
instead of inspire people.
Inspire, okay. So kailan nagbago yung point of view mo from inspire na other people with my body?
I think that came when I quit going to the gym and I started doing calisthenics instead.
Okay. By
Yeah.
yourself o may kasamang grupo?
Uh, I was with one or two people for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Meron akong best friend kasi I moved to my current place now
Oo.
in 2013.
Okay.
And then I had this neighbor. I got this neighbor the following year. Na
Yeah.
same kami na age group and we
Mm-mm.
had similar friends. So I influenced him to start going to the gym. Dati kasi kalansay siya, as in
Okay.
payatot, tapos ganito yung posture niya,
Okay.
hindi maganda. And ngayon, he still works out, magkikita pa rin kami, and now he's even bigger than me.
Okay. So, in light, before tayo magkwentuhan, anong difference nung ang ginagawa mo sa gym and being ano yun? Calisthenic?
Calisthenics,
Okay,
calisthenics,
okay.
okay.
Anong difference?
Okay, sa gym kasi, you have so much equipment.
Mm.
You have the plates, you have a bench, you have bars, you have
Yeah.
different sorts of machines and cables.
Yeah.
Sa calisthenics, you just need maybe the floor, a pull-up bar, and somewhere you can do dips.
Oh, so mas mahirap.
Essentially, pwede siyang mas mahirap, pwede siyang mas madali. Sa
Okay.
calisthenics, you have to be creative to find ways na gawing mahirap yung madaling bagay.
Okay. Sige. Parang nalito ko doon. Parang mas mahirap gawin
Bigyan ko ng example.
Oh, sige,
Okay.
example. Give.
So, di ba, everyone can do a push-up naman, di
Okay.
ba? To make it harder, ilagay mo yung kamay mo ng ganito, tapos mag-push up ka ng ganyan.
Okay.
Or to make it harder, mag-push up ka, tapos palakpak, clap ka isa.
Okay.
Or literally one arm na push up.
So, parang yung sa inyo, parang pwedeng gawin sa bahay kasi you don't have to have many machines, parang ganon.
Yes. And
Okay.
in our case though, swerte kami kasi we have a playground near our house where we could do the pull-ups. And one of the biggest benefits of calisthenics is that it's free.
It's free and you can do anywhere.
Yes, you don't have
Okay.
to travel or
Yeah.
bring your bag.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Tapos, yun na yun, di ba? Do you have a certain diet every day? Kasi hindi naman pwede gym ka lang ng gym tapos walang diet.
I started out dieting doing IF kasi yun yung pinaka, I think it's the most common, it's the easiest concept, in intermittent fasting.
Intermittent. Kasi you know what's IF. So, yung ating viewer, what is IF, intermittent?
Okay, intermittent fasting is when you can eat within a specific span of time.
Okay.
So let's say 16 hours bawal ka kumain, tapos may window ka na 8 hours na doon ka lang pwede kumain.
That you can eat everything. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Oh my God.
Parang it only works kasi parang it's a simple way of avoiding the excess calories you eat sa gabi pag antok ka na at nagugutom ka.
Okay. Bago natin pag-usapan yung antok, kasi meron lang tayong i-hello, i-hi nandyan. Marami nang nag-hi.
Daven.
Yeah, Daven is there. Hi, Daven.
Hi,
Hello.
Daven.
Magandang gabi, anak.
Miss you.
Yeah,
Uy, andyan yung special person ko, Mami Ray.
Okay,
Yeah.
yan, tingnan natin yung special person. Si Ingrid. I think that's Ingrid. Hi.
Tam is my sister. Tam is
your sister. Hi. Tam is the sister. And meron pa ba? Okay, si
Si
Ray
Ray.
is there. One of our co-actors, Ray. Hi, Ray. Thanks for watching. Ayan.
Hello. Hi,
Okay.
Ray.
Thanks, Ray. Thanks for watching. Okay.
Hi.
So, sabi mo, there's a certain time. Pero 'di ba, ang sinasuggest naman, kasi nga iba-iba. May sinasuggest na sila na you can eat everything the whole day, but at least before you go to sleep, you have like 5 hours para to lessen the food.
Yes.
Ganon.
It works. It's the same concept. Yeah, it works like that way.
Ganon.
Pero ngayon, Mami Ray, I'm not on a special diet. I've been doing this kasi for years na hindi ko na siya napag-iisipan.
Oo.
So, passively, I normally just eat 100 to 200 calories less than my maintenance. Meaning, pumapayat ako
Oh,
slowly.
okay. So,
Oo.
it's a positive sign na you lose weight or you have to gain weight.
Mm, what I'm currently aiming for, Mami Ray, is I don't lose muscle. Yeah,
Ah,
because I
okay.
run a lot and I want to keep if I don't eat enough protein, kakainin na niya yung muscle ko.
Okay. So,
Mm-mm.
for example, ikaw, do you have any advice dun sa mga gusto munang mag-start ng diet? Hindi crash eh. Kasi di ba pangit yung crash diet. So, do you have
Mm-mm.
any advice for them?
Okay. Advice for people wanting to start their own diets. You have to know what your BMR is. So BMR means basal metabolic rate.
Mm,
And you can get this on the internet. Like just type calorie calculator
mm,
in Google search, and it will show you a bunch of calculators. It's going to ask you for information like your activity level, uh, your age, your gender, and your height. Yeah. And once you click enter, it will give you your BMR. And your BMR is how many calories your body burns every day to maintain itself. So every day yun
okay.
talaga yung binaburn mo. So
Okay.
if you eat less than your BMR, papayat ka. If you eat more than your BMR, edi magigain ka ng weight.
Ah, okay. But, is right ba na you don't, kasi Filipino love carbo eh, rice.
Mm-mm.
I have this guest before, sabi niya, ang replacement for rice is sweet potato.
Mm.
Right?
Yes.
Kasi honest po tawag ko kasi kay Ellsworth is Ellie. Never ko siya nakita kumain ng rice. Why you don't eat rice?
Uh, I still eat rice, Mami Ray, pero yung tipong 3 kutsara, 4 na kutsara lang, ganun.
A day? Or pag
In a
gusto,
meal, in a meal,
in a
let's say.
meal?
Mm-mm.
Oh my God.
Oo.
Okay. Sige. Tapos, bakit mo kailangan i-maintain yung weight mo? Kasi narinig ko kanina like you're planning to join something ba? O ano ba?
Generally, Mami Ray, if in my mind lang,
Mm.
if my body fat is low and my muscle mass is high, I think mas maganda din siya, I mean, tignan,
Mm, mm.
like to have this like superhero
Mm, mm, mm,
physique or something.
mm, mm.
Another thing is I am a fast gainer and a slow loser. Yung ganun yung body type ko.
Oh.
Yeah, I used to be skinny fat when I was in high school. And yun
Oh.
yung biggest insecurity ko.
Skinny fat?
Yeah, skinny fat. Like walang muscle.
Yeah.
Pero like,
Ang taba.
ang lahi nun tiyan
Oo.
kasi I was addicted to sugar, stuff
Oh.
like that.
So,
Parang,
ang ginawa mo, you lose weight para to gain the muscles. Kasi meron, iba yung losing weight just to lose weight eh. Ikaw, you lose weight to have muscle. Tama ba ako?
um, you you lose weight and then you build muscle so that you don't gain the weight again.
Okay. So,
Mm.
dapat pala, yung mga nag-lose weight dyan, hindi lang tayo mag-lose weight. We need to gain muscles para yung hindi na bumalik yung ating timbang. Oh, may
Yes.
natutunan ako. Thank you for telling us that. So, kasi dun sa mga pictures mo, I saw some of your pictures, parang sumasali ka sa mga run tournament or something?
Mga running event.
Running event. So, kailan ka nag-start ng running events mo? Ayan, yan. I saw that. Oh, you have running events eh. So, kailan nag-start yung mga running events mo?
Yung picture na yan, Mami Ray, was my first ever running event. That was in February.
February.
This year.
So ngayon ka na nag-start.
Nag-start ako tumakbo sa pagtatakbo last year ng May.
Okay.
Mm-mm. And I did it for a while by myself, and then after a few months, na-inspire yung friend ko from grade school, yung when I was in grade 4.
Yeah, okay.
Yan. Silang dalawa, I've known them for 21 years now. So, when I started running, yung friend ko to the left of me there, na-inspire siya na tumakbo ulit. And, yeah, so, ayan, I'm happy. Bumibilis na siya ngayon.
Okay. Pag sa mga ganyan ba, you have to prepare yourself. Like, kahit, di ba, meron naman a certain mga di ba, meron minsan konti-konti lang, like, mga 2 kilometer run lang,
Mhm.
mga ganun. You have to prepare yourself kasi, di ba, minsan sabi nila, you can join naman, fun run lang naman to eh.
Um, you can join a fun run without preparation if you just want to finish it or if you just want to support the cause.
Okay.
Yeah, kasi usually ano these runs support a cause or
Mm-mm.
they're subsidized by a company.
Mm-mm.
If you want to finish, it's okay. You can join a running event without preparation. But if you want to finish in a certain amount of time, then I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's very difficult if you don't prepare.
Oh. Sa mga ganyan ba, you have prizes or you have medals or may certain o wala pag mga ganyang fun tournaments or fun run lang?
Usually, Mami Ray, they give you at the finish line, sasabitan ka nila ng medal.
Okay.
And then after you get your medal, you can go to the like some kiosk or something, give them your bib, and then they will give you your finisher shirt. So may
Oh.
t-shirt ka. Para alam mo yun, para you can be proud, para may
Yeah.
pagmayabang mo.
Yeah.
Kasi di mo naman pwede suotin yung medal sa
Yeah.
labas eh. So
Okay.
bibigyan na sila yung t-shirt that says like 10-kilometer finisher or
Oh.
21 km finish, yung mga ganun.
So parang yun yung big achievement, parang ganun. Sa mga fun run mo or sa mga fun events mo, meron bang nangyari sa'yo na meron kang goal you have to finish pero hindi na nangyari?
Meron. Yung pinaka-last one, yung Manila Marathon.
Okay, so what happened? Bakit hindi nangyari? Hindi natapos? Gaano kalayo yung target mo?
The first time ko po mag-full marathon nun.
Mm.
The full marathon is 42.2 kilometers.
Okay.
And ang naabot ko lang was 26.
Ay, what happened?
So nangyari po, like, at kilometer 21, biglang pinulikat ako na
Oh.
kasing laki ng daga dito sa left thigh ko.
Umano na siya. Okay.
Oo, na alam mo yung pulikat, Mami Ray,
Yeah.
na kahit wala kang ginagawa, gumagalaw siya mag-isa.
Yung muscle mo na parang nanginginig.
Gumagalaw siya
Okay,
mag-isa.
okay.
So at kilometer 21, I decided na I would walk muna
Okay.
and then try to release the cramp. Pero kilometer 23 na parang ayaw pa din. And then shortly after, yung old injury ko sa
Yeah.
tuhod ko,
Okay.
biglang it got worse. It got worse.
Yeah.
It got worse.
Yeah.
So instead of risking my leg, I swallowed my pride and just walked to the nearest ambulance.
Oh, it's for your safety naman eh, 'di ba? Pero pag ikaw ba nag-register ka, like for example, you registered for that 42, tama ba? 42 kilometers. And then you finish like half lang nun or 20, you finish like 26.
26.
Hindi mo pwede mag-gain yung, di ba may mga hati-hating kilometer? O kung saan ka nag-register, doon mo makukuha yung I finish like this kilometer.
Yes, Mami Ray. So, yun din yung isang masakit na part na nung sumakay ng motor, tanggap ko na hindi ko matatanggap yung medal at yung t-shirt.
Okay. So, hindi mo pwedeng kunin na, natapos ko naman yung 21 eh, yung 22, hindi pwede. Kasi you register for the 42. Okay. So, sabi mo nga, natanggap mo na. Paano mo siya natanggap?
Honestly, during that time, it was easy for me to accept because in that moment, ang lala talaga ng runner's high ko.
Oh.
So parang when I recorded myself talking about failure or whatever, parang medyo nakangiti pa ako. And then everything synced in when I woke up the next morning.
Okay.
Pagkagising ko the next morning, parang sana di ako nag-quit. Ba't ko ginawa yun? Tapos biglang doon na nag-start pumasok yung different emotions na.
Okay. So, paano mo na-handle yung different emotions? Kasi syempre, ang unang-una mong maririnig, yung mararamdaman yung frustration eh.
una, yes, the frustration of it happening during the
Yeah.
race na parang ayaw
Mm-mm.
mawala or
Mm-mm.
nagsa-start na yung old injury ko.
Yeah.
Next was the sadness of waking up na wala akong medal, wala akong
Okay.
shirt. I
Mm-mm.
mean, like, I felt like a loser.
Oh, hindi
Ah.
naman. Baka naman may purpose. Oh, dahil pag-usapan natin yan, may mga comments
Uy,
daw. There's
we have
so
new
many
comments.
comments.
Wait.
Hi, ayan na, ang bebe ko. A little bigger. A bebe ko. Sabi niya, hi, bebe ko. And then also, nandyan na
Hi,
rin,
Bebe.
andyan na rin si Bebs. Hi, Bebs. Thank
Hi,
you for
Bebs.
watching.
Uy, si D, nandito. D is my friend. Yan
Okay.
yung girlfriend ng best friend.
Okay.
Si D. Hi, D.
Hi, D. And then there's
Yes.
also Ingrid Manalo. Sabi niya,
Yes, it's my special.
pa-demo nga po ng one arm push-up. Sige, sabi mo yan, Ingrid, papademo natin yan. Kung kaya natin ipa-demo dito. Tapos sabi ni Trio Ramos, inspiration,
Si
Kuya,
Trayo.
si Ellsworth.
Uy, si Trayo. Yan yung kinuwento ko sa'yo, Mami Ray, just
Ah.
now, na yung friend ko na
Try.
nag-run na ulit.
Okay.
Si Charles. Hi, Charles.
Hi, Charles. Idol ko ito. OMG. Oh, there's Mommy Christine. Mommy Christine, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
And then si Lynn Berth.
Uy, si Lynbert.
Coach ko yan.
Yes. Hi, Bert.
Yan. Ayan. O, tapos, daming nagko-comment. Baka naman. Ay, Catherine pala. Sorry. Catherine. Tapos, sa mga nagko-comment, baka naman, pwede kayong magbigay ng stars sa aming dalawa ni Ellie. And ayan, yung mga daming coach. Bakit coach?
Si Bert kasi nagpauso nun eh. Kasi
Mm.
because I create content, 'di ba, about running.
Okay.
So from just posting advice, just giving people advice,
Yeah.
people started calling me coach, especially si Bert. Bert is also a TikTok creator na I met.
Okay. So, sinabi mo na nga, you're ang content creator. Sabi, oh yeah, there's pa si Dora.
Si Dora
Hi,
nandito.
Coach daw, sabi ni Dora.
Hi, Dora.
Yan. Sabi mo nga, you're a content creator. Paano nag-start yung pagiging content creator mo?
Okay.
When it start?
This is a little bit of a long story, but last year I had this idea to create a digital product to help educate Filipinos on how to go on a diet correctly and how to start exercising with the right fundamentals. Pero parang hirap, like I didn't have any experience in making videos. I didn't have any experience in actual coaching about this. Like I just knew the concepts. So after months of procrastinating on writing the thing, I said, I think this concept of writing a book is not modern anymore. Like lumang thing na kasi ang libro eh.
Yeah.
People don't want to read books.
Few na lang
anymore.
ang gustong magbasa.
So I thought, like, what's something na, baka pwede kong itry. And I said, sige, TikTok, let's look at it first. Like, let me check. Pakiramdaman ko muna if it's my thing.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy kasi it worked out. And I have like almost 4,000 followers now.
Wow. Sa TikTok. Okay. Nakikita ko ka din kasi minsan sa my story mo that you're nagvi-video ka telling people yung mga suggestion mo, what to do. Minsan not only for yung exercise, yung diet. Madami kang Paano mo naiisip paggawa ng concept? Kasi mahirap yun yung magawa ka ng concept para sa content mo. Gaano ka katagal mag-isip?
Mami Rain, when I started out, siguro sa first month ko, ang challenge kasi for people who want to create on TikTok, the best way to get started is to post something every day, no excuses. Tapos video siya na dapat quality. Pwedeng low effort, pwedeng high effort. Basta meron kang pinost araw-araw.
Okay.
So, before, namamroblema pa ako, I was talking like to my friends, parang I would be stressed out. I would say, ano kaya video ko tomorrow? Like, ano kaya gagawin ko tomorrow? Now, madali na lang siya because I just rely on experience. And
Mm.
kunwari, wala akong maisip. I just watch one of my old videos and
Mm-mm.
then I just say it in a different way.
Mm-mm.
Mm. Kasi yung point ko doon is sometimes matigas yung ulo ng mga tao, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Sometimes you need to hear the same message in different versions.
Yeah.
And then, you have this moment na parang, gets ko na. Finally, gets ko na yung sinasabi niya. Palagi nilang sinasabi to, pero parang ngayon, nagsisink in.
Mm.
So, yeah.
So, hindi na ganun kahirap sa'yo. Parang ngayon, even though simple na lang. Pero everyday ka pa rin nagpo-post.
Every day, yes. Yes, yes.
Oh.
So today I posted 2 videos and magpo-post pa ako ng third one after the interview.
Okay. Ano yun? Matagal din yung editing or just a simple like kinuhanan mo na yung sarili mo tapos, okay na to, hindi ko na to i-edit or you have to edit it pa?
All the videos require like editing and the editing process is different depending on what kind of video it is. So,
Mm.
yung bago kong style ng content ngayon, recently lang yung sinabi mo, Mami Ray, na nakatutok lang yung phone and
Mm.
then naglalakad
Mm,
ako.
mm.
Oh, yun na yung thing eh. Dapat naglalakad ako, yun yung thing. Yun yung pinakamadaling i-edit. Kasi puputulin mo lang yung mga gaps eh. Tapos lalagyan mo ng captions, tapos popost mo na siya.
Okay. Ay,
Mm-mm.
mas nadadalian ka sa ganun.
Yun ang pinakamadali. Kasi ikakat-cut mo lang siya versus yung I'm sitting on my desk, tapos may ipapresent ako like 3 running tips or mga ganun. Isusulat ko pa yun sa notepad. Tapos minsan maghahanap pa ako ng pictures on the internet to illustrate like certain concepts.
Yeah.
So it depends on the type of video, I
Okay.
would say.
So, yung hindi mo natapos na fun, na run, kasi sabi mo nga, you have mga student na tinatawag ka na coach, you have followers already. Did you explain them o nag-video ka ba na why you didn't finish the run?
Yes po, Mami Ray. I did.
So, how is it?
Well, maganda yung result, Mami Ray. Kasi when usually my videos just get mga 1,000 to 3,000, 5,000 views, ganon. When I posted that video about how badly I failed, ngayon, it's still getting views, pero ngayon nasa like 50,000 na siya.
50?
Yes.
Ba, nag-viral yung hindi mo natapos na fun mo, na run mo, ha?
And ikaw naman nag-motivate sa akin mag-post nun eh. So, thank you, Mami Ray.
Hindi, sinabi ko lang naman sa ikaw talaga. Pero hindi, after that, na-realize mo na ba na malamang marami nagme-message sa'yo dun sa ano mo, 'di ba? Sa mga contents mo. Do you read your mga comments sa contents mo?
I like and reply to every single comment that people put in my post. Like lahat. Like legit, Mami Ray. If you go to my TikTok and open mo yung comment section, lahat yun na-replyan ko.
Ang sipag. Talaga?
Mm.
Do you have any, meron ka naman na may nag-comment na ba sa'yo ng negative? Wala pa naman.
Meron naman.
Do you still answer it?
Minsan papatulan ko.
Okay.
Mm.
What is one comment na hindi mo makakalimutan na parang feeling mo below the belt na?
Below the belt.
Is there one incident or one comment?
Meron ba? Parang, pag ganun, wala akong matandaan, Mami Ray, and it's for a certain reason. The way I respond to people like that is I pretend they don't exist. So, kunwari, yung comment niya is overly negative. Yun na yung magdudulot ng kasiraan niya. I mean,
Yeah.
negative na siya eh. So, panalo pa din ako. Like, and actually, kunyari, may negative na comment. The best revenge is to completely ignore it.
So hindi mo na rin masyado nire-reply.
Pero minsan, kapag pag medyo weird or backward yung sinasabi niya, papatulan ko. Pero hindi ako mang-aaway, hindi ako like magre-reply lang ako ng something na kailangan niyang marinig,
Okay.
probably.
Meron bang isang comment sa mga content mo na talagang yung till now hindi mo makalimutan?
Talagang until now, hindi ko
Na
makalimutan.
parang sobrang positive yung binigay niya sa'yo, parang natuwa ka naman dun sa comment niya sa'yo?
Actually, Mami Ray, natuwa ako sa lahat nung nag-comment about my Manila Marathon
Mm.
video. As in, it's so the amount of love and the amount of support I got from the running community
Mm.
was so overwhelming. As in, nung last week,
Mm.
like randomly habang nagwo-work ako, maalala ko lang yung comment section tapos like mangiyak-iyak na talaga ako na naalala ko na everyone was just telling me it's okay to fail or you made the right decision na
Yeah.
hindi mo na tinuloy yung
Mm.
race.
Mm.
Parang ganun. So, those are the comments I always remember.
Parang, okay lang naman pala hindi ko natapos. But, do you have any future plans na mag-run ulit?
Yes, Mami Ray. Baka baka mag-try ulit ako ng full marathon sa November or sa December. Mm. Parang I have to be patient din eh kasi
Okay.
uh, if you do it too much, nakakasira ng katawan yung running.
Okay. So, pero preparing yourself.
Yes, to prepare myself. Yes. Generally it takes 2.5 to 3 months to prepare properly for a marathon, I think.
Okay. So, ano tayo, may comments pa ba dyan?
Oh,
Okay. Sabi niya, go kuya, sabi ni
Uy.
Luis. And then, of
Si
course,
Christian. Hi,
our
Christian.
baby is here, Denise.
Oy, si baby Denise.
Pa-shout out daw, kuya. There's
Hi,
our
Denise.
baby. If you have any questions po kay Ellsworth, meron kayong, sabi nyo nga kay Coach, may tanong kayo, you can ask any questions sa kanya. Tapos babasahin namin para sa inyo po. Eto, kanina sabi mo, your mom is the one who pushed you na mag-modeling. Natuloy ba ang pagmo-modeling mo?
Hindi, actually. It was a workshop na sa Eastwood ako pumunta for it. And yung instructor namin was a famous model. I think her name was like Risa Manangkil or something. Yeah, that's her name. Hindi siya natuloy kasi when I was a teenager, hindi pa talaga ako confident in myself. Yeah, I was a very, very, very insecure boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Paano kung hindi natuloy yung pagmo-modeling mo, paano ka naman napunta sa pagiging theater actor?
So this is a story that's still fresh.
Okay.
So I worked too much and I went on vacation in June. Pumunta kami ng Dumaguete and Siquijor.
Okay.
Yeah, but the days leading up to the vacation, a few days before the vacation, I don't know why, but biglang psychologically or mentally, nagkaroon ako ng crisis.
Okay.
Like, parang crisis siya about like my life or crisis siya about mortality or something like this. Kasi what triggered it was I am so afraid of flying.
You're afraid of flying, not heights.
Heights, yes.
Yeah,
a
in a
little
way.
bit.
Okay.
In a way, oo. Pero flying even more.
Okay. Pero naka-fly ka ng Dumaguete tsaka ng Siquijor. So how was it?
Okay, yeah. The flight was okay in itself. But what was bad was during my vacation, like the biggest vacation of my year, I was in a dark place mentally. And I was trying to, like, I was thinking about my life. I was thinking about where my life was going, like what's going to happen to me. And it only got better when I opened it up to my special person. And after I opened it up, after I became more specific about what I was feeling or what I was thinking, slowly gumaan na siya.
Of course.
And then that's when I decided, okay, I'm gonna finally pursue my mom's old dream for me.
Ah,
Na punta ako ng agency, try to get my VTR and see what, kung kaya ko bang pakinabangan
yung
itsura,
looks and
yung
everything.
itsura ko, yes.
Okay.
But not in a vain way, but
Yes, yes, I know.
in a way that, in a way that takes advantage of my strengths.
Okay,
Parang ganun.
okay. So,
Mm.
doon nag-start.
Mm-mm.
So, nakahanap ka ng agency na mag-VTR ka.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So when I got like my VTR, sabi po nung director na kulang daw yung expressiveness ko
Okay.
and that I should try and take an acting workshop,
Okay.
which before, like, if you told me to do that, sasabihin ko, ha, hindi, ayoko, like,
Okay,
workshop,
okay.
acting workshop. Ngayon, after my crisis, sabi niya, nung narinig ko yung acting workshop, wala na talaga akong pake. Sabi, sige, gawin natin to. I just jumped into it. I didn't know what to expect.
So parang okay lang, sige lang.
Hmm.
Para lang ma-clear din yung mind mo and everything. Para it's a new thing for you. Plus one thing, matutuloy mo pa yung gusto ni mommy.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
okay. So nag-acting workshop ka. So how was the acting workshop with you? How it helps you?
Mm, it helps me kasi I I really think na I'm a creative person. I come from a family of, sa mother side ko, I come from a family of artists. And
Okay.
my grandfather he was a painter, a sculptor, and
Okay.
everything. Uh, I think acting gives me an avenue to to be creative.
Okay.
Not to express what I feel, but
Yeah.
to be creative, to discover certain emotions in myself. So, ganyan na nangyari. When I started the acting workshop, ang na-feel ko, I was learning about different parts of me na hindi ko alam na nandun.
Oh.
Na some of those parts were dark, some of them were happy.
Yeah.
Pero nagugustuhan ko yung experience so far.
Sa workshop.
Mm-mm.
Na akala mo pag acting workshop, arte-arte lang. Yung pala, hindi. Mas malalim.
May technical aspect
May
siya.
technical aspect siya.
Mm-mm.
O, paano naman ka napunta ngayon sa teatro? Did you audition or what?
Yes, yes. I auditioned and I was given the part.
Yeah, okay.
And I was given the lines and actually kabisado ko na yung lines, Mami Ray. And
But,
uh,
kabisado mo yung lines, but...
okay, but yung blocking hindi pa masyado. And kulang pa ako sa rehearsal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero now you're enjoying it naman.
Yes, yes. I'm very much enjoying it. Yes.
Okay. So, being a content creator and then you have your sports and then the theater, how do you manage your time? Plus you have work also. So how do you manage it?
This was something I talked about with my brother last night.
Yeah.
Because last week I felt that I was starting to get angry. And I was starting to, parang, nagiging maangas daw ako.
Oh?
Oo. Like, ang sakit-sakit ko daw magsalita bigla, ganyan. So, I don't know how I do it, Mami Ray, na napagkakasya ko yung TikTok, itong workshop,
Yeah.
tapos yung full-time job,
Yeah.
and then running and calisthenics.
And then, and then you have rehearsals, sigurado
Yeah.
you have rehearsals. So how you do you manage everything?
Ano lang, Mami Ray, I think na pinush ako nung crisis ko to be busy 100% of the time.
Okay.
Yeah. So, gusto ko lang i-keep yung momentum. Yeah, and pwede naman mag-rest anytime, matulog ka lang na maaga or something. Yeah, and ang ginagawa ko, Mami Ray, hindi ako lumalabas ng Friday.
Oh, no gimmicks on Friday.
No gimmicks on Friday. Yes, di na ako lumalabas ng Friday. So, matagal na yun actually. well, hindi naman every Friday, like absolutely every Friday
Yeah, yeah,
wala.
yeah.
But siguro 3 out of 4.
Okay. So parang medyo may nagbago sa routine ng buhay mo when all of this nagsasabay-sabay na sa'yo.
Yes, yes, yes. And I eliminated habits. I eliminated habits that were not valuable.
It's not good
Yeah,
anymore.
like video games, ganon.
Oh,
Video games or parang doom scrolling,
yeah.
watching too much YouTube,
Yeah, yeah.
ganon. Parang napalitan ko lang siya.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So but you're enjoying your life now kesa before, even though na parang siksik na lahat yung nangyayari sa'yo.
Mas enjoy ko to. Mas enjoy ko to.
And also your mental health.
And my mental health is actually now in a good place. Yeah.
It's in a good place. It's a big help no para sa'yo.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah. Maging busy, being busy is good, is a good thing for people. But I think a lot of people kasi might be busy with the wrong things.
Yeah.
So being busy is good, but having a clear goal is more important.
Mm.
Para yung actions mo, hindi siya pa ganyan-ganyan.
Okay.
May pinupuntahan siyang...
May direksyon na pupuntahan.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Kahit medyo vague yung direction,
Yeah.
alam mong meron siyang pinupuntahan. Kasi meron kang idea. You kind of know what you're asking for.
Yeah. And I think naman, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, all of it, you love what you're doing. Diba? Na
Mm.
parang hindi ka naman napipilitan. Plus, nagagawa mo na yung pangako mo kay mommy mo.
Mm-mm.
That's the number one. Di ba? Para mas okay. And speaking of mommy, and then yung sinabi mo rin nga kanina, yung brother mo, are you a homebody person ba? Oh, no. Uwi ka lang matutulog?
Okay. I used to be very... I'm still very makulit. Hindi ako mapakali sa bahay. Mm-mm. So, I guess minsan homebody ako.
Yeah.
But most of the time, gusto kong lumalabas kapag weekend or pag Saturday night, minsan Sunday night, like I wanna go out, I wanna see my friends. I get energy from being outside.
Okay. Pero if I'm gonna ask you, if you're a part ka ng bahay mo, you're gonna be part of your house, what part are you?
Okay. If I were a part of a house, I would say I would be the bilyaran.
Why?
Because I love billiards.
Okay.
Billiards is my sport, and I love to entertain people. I love to play with people.
Yeah.
And I have to spend time. Yeah, spend time with
Okay.
people.
So parang nandun ka sa entertainment area ng bahay. Like nandun yung sports. Kasi iba meron mga bahay na they have this entertainment na parang nandun yung billiards, yung dart, yung sports. So parang ikaw yung part ng bahay nyo.
Billiards na lang yung sinabi ko, Mami Ray, imbes na bar.
O sige, hindi ko na i-elaborate siya. And then, even though you love running, I know you love running, you love walking. Pero if I'm gonna ask you, if you're be one kind of vehicle, what kind?
Okay, if I were a vehicle, I would be a dark blue Toyota Fortuner.
Oh, may kulay pa talaga. Bakit naman dark blue at Fortuner pa, ha?
No, I would be I would be a metallic gray Land Cruiser.
Ay, puro malalaking sasakyan ang gusto mo. Why?
Okay, well, personally, yung reason ko is yung metallic gray na Land Cruiser is a very old car na yun ang pamana sa akin ng mom ko.
Oh.
Yeah, and ang plate number niya is JUS77. So pangalan ko talaga yung plate number. Yeah, but like with the qualities of an SUV that I identify with is an SUV is versatile, it can go fast.
Yeah.
You can use an SUV off-road. You can put a lot of things in the SUV. So I think that's me. I think I'm very versatile. Marami
Mm.
akong
Oo.
like pwedeng paglagyan ng value, parang
Yes.
ganun.
Kaya yun ang gusto mong sasakyan. Okay. Sa dami-dami ng ginagawa mo now, um, sa dami-dami ng ginagawa mo ngayon, what is your mantra in life?
Sa dami-dami ng
Mm.
ginagawa ko.
Ever since nung bata ka until now, kasi sabi mo dami mo ng pinagdaanan eh. Do you have any mantra in life since you have nagkaroon ka ng mental health and everything? Do you have anyone?
Okay, well, if I can go by one of my principles,
Mm-mm.
which is, uh, I think, hard work is the first prerequisite to any form of success.
Ah,
Na siguro you can succeed sometimes because you're lucky
yeah,
or because other people help you.
yeah.
But if you wanna consistently reach success, you have to work hard. Like walang shortcut.
Yeah,
There
walang
are
short.
no shortcuts.
No,
Yeah.
no shortcuts.
And the world doesn't owe you anything.
Okay. Tama ka naman dyan. At dahil sa, for now, sabi mo nga you have plans pa to run. And then you have this theater pa, tapos you have your regular work, and then may content ka. Nasaan ka na ngayon sa buhay mo?
I would say, Mami Ray, I think nagsa-start pa lang ako doon kaka-start ko pa lang sa
Mm.
biggest journey ko
Mm.
na I I opened up a lot of doors in
Yeah.
my life
Yes.
to see kung saan ako susuot.
Mm-mm.
Like, I realized I wanted to be a part of the entertainment
Yeah.
industry.
Mm.
I didn't want to be a consumer anymore. I wanted to be a producer
Yeah.
in the entertainment industry.
Mm.
So that's why I opened all of these doors to see kung should I be an influencer, should I
Yeah.
be a model, should I be an
Oh,
actor,
yeah.
should I be a coach. So,
One
yun.
day at a time, you're trying everything. And then at the end of the day, you're gonna discuss, ipipiliin mo kung ano talaga yun.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Or lalabas siya.
Lalabas siya kung
Lalabas siya, parang piliin mo ako. Ito na yun. Like,
So that's nice. So ang dami-dami po nating natutunan. Ako, I'll be honest, ang dami ko natutunan kay Ellie about sa pagda-diet and everything. And plus, eto muna, mag-hi muna tayo. Grabe ang smile ni Idol, sabi ni
Ay,
Miguel.
Hi Tabs. Yeah, he's
Ayan.
also one of my best friends whom I've known since 10 years old kami.
Ayan. Tapos sabi niya, grabe yung bahay na may bilyaran. Sabi ni Bats.
Hi Bats.
Ayan.
I mean, nakapuntahan naman dun eh. So,
Okay. And of course, sabi naman ni Alan, good evening po, Idol Coach. Ano po ang siguro recommend nyo po orders sa Jollibee? Thanks
Okay,
po.
si Doc Alan. Okay, recommended ko na order sa'yo, Alan, is two-piece chicken na spicy. Tapos yung flag na spicy, isaksak mo dito habang kinakain mo. Para alam ng mga tao na spicy ka.
Wow, so ang dami mong friends na nag-support sa'yo. Maraming salamat. But now, I'm gonna give the floor to you. Diba? Isang oras. The floor to you, Ellsworth, na invite them sa TikTok mo where they can follow your blogs and everything.
Okay, so everyone, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the greetings. Thanks for the questions as well. If you want to get value from my content, I strongly suggest you follow me on TikTok. My username is Ellsworth ng 7. No spaces, no dots, no symbols. I only post my content on TikTok right now, so if you look for me on YouTube, hindi nyo ako mahanap. Also, if you want to follow my Instagram, it's just my name, Ellsworth Nang. And naka-public ako, and yeah, you can see all of my posts. So,
Yan, thank you so much, Ellsworth. Maraming salamat. But before we go now, we would just want to say thank you to our sponsor, Hesine Aesthetic, that they have 2 branches. Sa Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong, with a phone number of 0929-275-1017. And the other one is NS Amoranto, Quezon City in 0906-208-8183, and open po sila daily from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And also, don't forget to watch our live every week, every Monday with me at Chikahan with Mami Ray, every Wednesday podcast, Up Top Down Low with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Deon, and Coffee Chat with Daven every Thursday, and lahat po yan at 7 p.m. And lahat po yan, you can watch it here in our Ignis Novus Artist Management, and also follow, like, and subscribe us also in our Instagram, Ignis Novus Artist Management, and we also have TikTok account at Ignis Novus at official, and of course our mother company, First Son Production. You can follow, like, and subscribe Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production, and also our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, na which is mapapanood nyo itong interview ko kay Ellsworth within 24 hours. Plus, ako naman po, i-follow nyo ako. My Facebook account is Rachel Pulion. My Facebook page is Mommy Ray 3. My IG account is mommy_ray423. My TikTok and S at Mommy Ray 3. Maraming salamat po for joining me this Monday night. Ellie, thank you so much for sharing us all the tips paano mag-diet, yung pinagdaanan mo, nung run mo, and also good luck sa mga future plans. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, and be safe sa mga hindi pa po nakakauwi dyan, and always bring your umbrella dahil unpredictable po ang ating weather. Ito po ang inyong Mami Ray, lagi pong nagsasabi, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye mga anak!
Bye.
See you all next week!
Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman, mga katanungan